Graham David Holroyd here, and welcome to my review video of Loadedlab. So you're currently searching on YouTube, on Google, trying to find out more about Liam James Kay's new Loadedlab program. And that's the reason why you're watching this video. So stay tuned, because I'm going to show you exactly what Loadedlab is, how it works, how you can make money with Loadedlab, and how you can grab access to over $10,000 worth of bonuses. So let's dive right into it. Loadedlab is a brand new program by Liam James Kay. Now, Liam James Kay is a top affiliate for ClickBank and many other programs. And I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video, you already know who Liam James Kay is. He's won multiple awards, and he's one of the biggest super affiliates that are online today. And he's literally just released, well, actually, at the time of recording this video, it hasn't even released yet. It actually releases tomorrow at the time of recording this video. But anyway, Loadedlab is a community. Okay, and it's a community of like-minded people, entrepreneurs, digital marketers, affiliate marketers. The list goes on of the amount of people that have already got access to Loadedlab. Okay, now, as I've just said, Loadedlab is a community, and it's kind of got that Facebook feel to it. Okay, so as you can see on screen, I'm currently in the community now, so I'm in the members area, if you like. And you come here, you start here. There's a little video here from James that just basically says, from Liam James Kay, that basically just says, thank you for being a part of Loadedlab, blah, blah, blah. And he shows you exactly how to make money, okay? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and just show you myself. So I'm going to click on Become an Affiliate, because you can become an affiliate for this and start earning some generous income. Okay, so as an affiliate, okay, you earn 100% commission for every trial member you refer. Okay, and it's $1 to get started. And if you want to take that $1 trial, there's a link in the description. Once that person joins, you then earn a 30% recurring lifetime commission for every fully paying customer, okay? And additional to that, it's a 2-tier affiliate program, which basically means once you bring somebody in, once they bring somebody in, you also earn an additional 30% recurring for every sale that your lead generates. So as an example, you refer 100 people and all 100 people stay signed up. So after that $1 trial, it's a $49 per month subscription. You earn 30% of that 49, which is $14.70 per person. Okay, so once you get 100 people, that basically totals your amount to $1,470 per month. Now, each of your 100 referrals, let's say, for instance, they bring in 10 new customers each, okay? And do you know what? It's not difficult to do because it's only a $1 trial, okay? So just bear that in mind. That's going to give you a total of 1,000 people. Now, assuming that all 1,000 stay signed up, remember, you earn that additional 30% of the $49, which again is $14.70 per person, totaling a whopping $14,700 per month. So in this scenario, you would earn 16,000, put my teeth in, 16,170 per month. That's from both tiers of the affiliate program, okay? And like I said, you can literally join today for $1. And all you've got to do is simply click that link in the description and start your trial. Excuse me. Okay, so let's just move along, because I want to show you more about what's inside of the community. So everyone in here is saying hi, Okay, so you come in, you say hi, people are liking, people are commenting. Again, it's got that Facebook feel to it. So, but the best part about this is with this program, yes, it's got that Facebook feel to it, but it's all about people that are coming in that are dedicated to making money online. Okay, so you start off by just introducing yourself. There's also some free money. Check this out. If I click on the free money tab, Liam James K will actually pay you to engage. Now, that's at the time of this recording. Things may change, especially when there's going to be thousands upon thousands of people that are going to be joining. It may change, okay? So if you're watching this now, okay, at the early stage, you've got an awesome opportunity to start earning extra income, literally just for liking and commenting. How cool is that? So for first most active member will be awarded $300, the second most active $100, third most active $50. Get paid to share value is literally going to be paying $100 for your case study. So if you've got an awesome case study on how to do something with LinkedIn or Twitter or Instagram or Facebook or whatever the case may be, okay, come in, share your value, and you could potentially earn $100 just for that. So it's pretty cool. So definitely come in, definitely check it out. Not only that, there's you can join the challenges. Okay, so there's going to be a bunch of challenges. So when this actually goes live on the 17th, again, which is tomorrow, that's the 17th of April 2023, there is going to be a little competition where you could potentially earn yourself an Apple MacBook Air M1, second place an iPod Air, third place $500, fourth place $250, fifth place lifetime access to Loadedlab. So imagine that, just for coming in fifth place, you get lifetime access. Pretty amazing. Anyway, stay tuned because I've not even told you about the bonuses yet, okay? There's going to be some live events from Liam himself. So the next one is going to be on the 30th of April. So stay tuned for that. There's announcements, and then you've got the hustle discussions. Okay, so these are like little separate groups inside of the community, and there's general chat, tips and tricks, etc. There's an affiliate marketing tab, print on demand, digital products, other side hustles, YouTube success, sharing your wins. So people are sharing their wins. Here's one that I did. Literally, I've been posting on Facebook Reels. One of my videos got 783,000 views. It's closer to 900,000 views now. It may even hit 1 million. How cool would that be? And I've got other tips and tricks for like Instagram that I share in here as well. How I'm generating thousands of views every single day on Instagram. But there's other people. Marty, all started from 0 to 100,000. So people are in here providing value, literally, to help you succeed. Okay. You've also got Liam's YouTube deep dives. You've got some case studies. And now you've got the training lab, okay? Very important, this. I'm going to just scroll up to where it says courses. So the courses are your bonuses, okay? Now, individually, Liam James K sells these. Now, this one here, the Master Natives, this is native ads. This actually sells now for $5,000. You're getting it completely for free, okay? When you join today. Not only that, but you also get the Google Ads Bootcamp, you get the Print on Demand Profit Academy, you get the Affiliate Bootcamp, and you also get the Passive Profits Accelerator. Now this, and I highly recommend as soon as you come in, start with this, because this is going to really help you boost your income, not only with Loadedlab, but if you've also got any other side hustles or other programs that you're promoting, these courses can really help you. And like I said, all these courses combined are over $10,000 if you was to purchase them yourself individually. But like I've said, you're getting them completely for free today. So that's over $10,000 worth of bonuses that you're getting, and all you need to do is start your $1 trial today. Crazy, right? Okay, so not only that, okay, so you've got all this, you can sign up to the affiliate program, like I've already mentioned, where you can earn all that juicy income. Not only that, I'm going to offer you a couple of bonuses because, yes, the link that you're about to click is an affiliate link. I do get a commission when you come through. Obviously, I'm an affiliate marketer. So I kind of want to sweeten the deal for you, if you like. Not only are you going to get all of Liam James K's bonuses, access to the community, access to all the members and their knowledge, I'm also going to give you 2 bonuses of my own, okay? And the first bonus that you're going to get is one of my courses. And one of my courses, it's called the VIP Membership Pro. These are literally the secrets are finally revealed on how the top affiliates are making $100,000 per year using membership sites. It's a full course I've put together in a simple PDF format, okay? And I'm going to give you this completely for free. Now, I currently sell this on Warrior Plus, and it's doing some awesome numbers. People are getting some great results from it, and I'm going to give you that completely for free. Not only that, I have a brand new launch that's coming out on Wednesday, the 19th of April, 2023, and it's called Crazy Commissions, okay? Now, Crazy Commissions is a secret strategy that I have kind of discovered, okay? And it's banking me daily commissions every single day, okay? And in this course, I'm actually going to teach you how to generate thousands of fresh leads every single day, okay? I've seen nobody else doing what I teach in this course, okay? And I'm going to give you access to this today, okay? It doesn't officially launch until April 19th, okay? Now, if you're watching this after, don't worry, don't panic, you're still going to get access to it. But if you access Loadedlab today, you're going to get access to Crazy Commissions before anybody else, before it even hits the market. How insane is that? Or should I say, how crazy is that? And that's crazy with a K, okay? So back to Loadedlab. Again, click that link in the description. Get yourself signed up. Again, it's just a $1 trial, and you can see all the value that you're going to get. Now, if you do grab access, jump into the community, tag me in a post. So you would literally just come to where it says, say hi, click on start a post, title, just said something like welcome, write something, use the @ put in Graham, and you can tag me. So I know that you've come through me, and I can help you the best way I know best, okay? So I hope that makes sense. Thank you for watching this review video of Loadedlab. I cannot wait to see you inside the community. I'll see you soon.